Let's make a T-shirt with me. You can customize your design however you want with DTF. So you can see that how DTF printer prints, and in top of the layer it prints white color as well. So with the printer you need DTF software. I use CAD Link. And after printing you have to apply DTF powder and cook the DTF powder. And then after that you can transfer this. Transfer into T-shirt. You have to first apply heat on it only. 20 seconds heat is enough. It's a cold peel. Don't peel off when it's hot, so otherwise your T-shirt design will be ruined. So first always apply heat and pre-press the T-shirt. First I place the Teflon sheet under T-shirt and I pre-press the T-shirt and remove all the wrinkles. As you can see that how I can press the T-shirt. Be careful and be gentle with the T-shirt. Don't press too much heat. It can burn the T-shirt. After pre-pressing the T-shirt, I measured that how I want to place the design. So then you can see that I place it on the center of the chest. And there you can see. And then after that I applied parchment paper on top of that. And I only press 20 seconds. If you like my video, please don't forget to like. It will help me to boost the video. So if you have any question regarding DTF printer, like if you want to about CAD Link software, to learn about something or printer issues, so then you can always ask me in the comments. Then after that, remove the parchment paper. And these are one peeling. You don't need to peel off the backing because it's a cold peel. Let it cold, or you can use hair dryer, or you can use cold wet tissue paper and then apply on top of that and let it cold, and then after that peel off the layer. It's a full video I'm showing you without any edit. And it's a real time at least to make one DTF shirt. You will need 5 to 10 minutes. So within 10 minutes you can make the T-shirt. After that, I applied the wet tissue paper on top of that to make it cold because it was still hot. So then I let it cold with the wet tissue paper. And then after that, I start peel off. Once it's cold, you just gently remove the peeling. As you can see how it's easy and it will be clear. After that, all the design is transferred to the shirt, and it's very soft to touch. And after that, apply heat for 5 seconds again. with parchment paper, and this is the final result.